Hello everyone, welcome to the new challenge of the day. Let's solve it. It says that the 10-digit number 2y6000z8 is exactly divisible by 24. That is, we are given a number that is a 10-digit number and it is said that this 10-digit number is exactly divisible by 24. Now this 10-digit number contains two variables, one y and one z. It is said that y and the z is not equal to 0. That is, the two digits here is not equal to 0. If that is not equal to 0, then we need to find the least value of y plus z. What is the least value of y plus z? Is it 2, 9, 8 or 5? Let's find out. Okay, now hopping on to the solution. We are given that 2y6000z8 is a 10-digit number and this 10-digit number is exactly divisible by 24. Now 24 is actually 3 into an 8. So if this number is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3 as well as this number is divisible by 8. So we know that if a number is divisible by 8, then the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So 0z8 must be divisible by an 8. Okay. So z is a single digit number. So z can range from, that is z can range from 0 to 9. Okay. Now given condition is that z can never be 0. So if z can never be 0, so z can range from 1 to 9 because z can never be 0. So z can't range from 0 to 9. So z can range from 1 to 9. Now see, if z is equal to 1, so this 3 digits become 0, 1, 8. Is 0, 1, 8 divisible by 8? No. So z cannot be 1. So if z is equal to 1, we get this. If z is equal to 2, we get 0 to 8. Is 0 to 8, that is 28, divisible by 8? No. So this is also wrong, this is also wrong. So if z is equal to 3, we get 0, 3, 8. Is 38 divisible by 8? No. So this can also not be an option. So if z is equal to 4, that is 0, 4, 8. Yes, 48 is divisible by 8. So z can be 4. Okay. Now if z is equal to 5, we have 0, 5, 8. This is also not divisible by 8. If z is equal to 6, we have 0, 6, 8. This is also not divisible by 8. If z is equal to 7, this is 0, 7, 8. This is also not divisible by 8. If z is equal to 8, then we get 0, 8, 8. Yes, 88 is divisible by 8. So this can be an option. Okay. If z is equal to the last number 9, this is 098. Now 098 is not divisible by 8. So this cannot be an option. So the z can be either 4 or it can be either 8. Okay. Now how can we choose that whether it is 4 or 8? And for what value of z, y plus z is the least? We need to find the least value. Okay. So now this number is also divisible by 3. Now we know that if a number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. So we get that 2 plus y plus 6 plus 5 zeros gives us that number only. So we are not writing the zeros, plus z plus 8. This number must be divisible by 3. Now we are taking z is equal to 4. Okay. So the first option is 4. If this is 4, then we have 10 plus 10, that is 20. So 20 plus y. This must be divisible by 3. Now we need to find the least value. So what value of y? The least value of y is 20 plus y divisible by 3. Now we know that 21 is 3 into 7. So if y is 1, then it is 21 and it is divisible by 3. So we are taking y as 1. Okay. So y is equal to 1. Now if y is equal to 1, the addition of the digits of this whole number is divisible by 3. So it is fulfilling the criteria that this 10-digit number is exactly divisible by 24. Now what happens if we take z at 8? So if we take z is equal to 8, so this is 2 plus y plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 gives us a 16. 16 plus 6 gives us a 22. So this is a 24 plus y. Now 24 plus y. What is the least value of y such that it is divisible by 3? Now 24 is divisible by 3. So next, if we add y as 3, that is, it becomes 27 if y is equal to 3. Because if y is equal to 1, it is 24 plus 1, 25. It is not divisible by 3. If y is equal to 2, so 24 plus 2, which is 26, it is not divisible by 3. So if y is equal to 3, so the least number of y can be 3. So this is 27, but y is here 3 and 8 is 8, z is 8. But here we got that y is 1 and z is equal to 4. So on addition, which is the least one? This is 3 plus 8, which is 11, and this is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Now what is the least number among these two? Which is 5. Hence the correct option is D. Okay. Thank you.